Hello folks, this is Nate Paulson from Paulson Wealth Management with an educational economic update for November of 2016. In this month's video, we'll discuss some of the major headlines that influence markets in October and give you some insight into what they could mean for you as an investor. Please stay tuned at the end for a required disclosure statement. So I want to start out this month's conversation with a topic that is on the top of everyone's mind. It's the presidential election. I think we can all agree that this has already been an unusual election season. And then in keeping with the ongoing surprises, on Friday, October 28th, FBI Director James Comey sent a letter to Congress indicating that the agency would be reviewing more emails from Hillary Clinton. Now the markets have reacted to this curveball with increasing volatility, with the S&P 500 hitting its lowest point since July. But when you look past the current volatility and dig into October's markets, you'll see the underlying data that is much more positive than the recent volatility and media hype would lead you to believe. In fact, at the same time that the markets were reacting to the FBI's announcement, we also learned that two important details show the economy is growing: gross domestic product and consumer spending. First, the gross domestic product, or GDP, beat expectations and had its biggest gain in 2 years. This result means that the economy is not only growing, but at a faster clip than most economists had predicted. Now, second, the most recent consumer spending report for September showed that consumer spending had grown 0.5% to reach a new all-time high. Personal income grew at 0.3% as well. So in other words, people in the US are earning and spending more money, which is good news for the economy. Now, I'm not saying that everything is perfect in the markets, but I agree with the economist Brian Westbury's description of our current situation as a plow horse economy. Unlike a racehorse who is fast and flashy, but can only maintain its speed for so long before breaking down, a plow horse plods along one step after another. The motion is slower and less exciting, but plow horses have stamina and their strength that their faster brethren lack. As we look forward, I expect this plow horse to keep moving along. The election will likely continue to cause some market volatility in the near term, but even less eventful elections also typically cause volatility because the markets simply do not like uncertainty. Remember that the economy is still continuing to grow. In fact, 86% of respondents of a recent CNBC poll believe the Federal Reserve will raise interest rates at their meeting next month. Another strong indication that the Great Recession is getting farther away with each passing day. We might not have a completely smooth ride ahead, but I believe we are still steadily moving in the right direction. I know that headlines and media hype can have a disconcerting effect, but as always, we are here to keep you informed and share the information that you need to know to have a clear view of where we stand. So that's it for this month's Educational Economic Update. Once again, this is Nate Paulson from Paulson Wealth Management, signing off for the month of November 2016. Please remember that nothing we say here is a recommendation, but if you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 630-517-2950, and we'd be happy to speak with you.